What we know is what people have told us. When they had to mount this concrete slab, it slipped and dragged a worker down as it fell. 2 other people were wounded and are now being treated in hospitals in the region. They're fine. I think that everybody uses security kit, boots, helmet. This is what we saw. However, we haven't checked if that's the case with the body that lies over there.
This is my path. I was about to walk past here to go home. Fortunately, I was lucky. My wife came here 15 minutes before the accident.